Well, I'm happy to let everybody know that in Port Colborne at the Friends Over 55 Recreational Centre, which is where I go to play euchre, we are having an estate planning seminar, and it's a seniors guide. So it's a comprehensive estate planning seminar. It's going to be a great time. It's on Wednesday, July the 8th, this upcoming Wednesday, July the 8th. 10 o'clock. So it's 10 to 11:30. Now it's a free event. It's open to the public. We're going to have coffee, tea. There's going to be light refreshments. And for some of my euchre buddies, I'm probably going to bring some red licorice. So, because so many of them like that. So, and then we're going to have draw for games or for giveaways at the end. So you want to stick around to the end for that. So it's going to be very interactive opportunity for questions throughout the presentation. And then at the end, topics being covered. So we're going to learn how to pay less tax to the CRA, how to minimize family conflict. We're going to make sure there's clarity between wills and trust. When do you use one versus another? And why would you use it? Powers of attorney. We're going to look at that versus the executor role. We're going to talk about funding your estate properly and bypassing probate effectively, and basically planning to protect your family and to be more efficient. Now, I will say that I am the speaker, and I have multiple designations in estate planning and with elders. And this is geared to seniors. It's a seniors event, Friends Over 55 being a rec center for seniors. And you have to be at least 50 to attend that. There's a little blurb about me there. So I hope that you can make it. And again, it's at Friends Over 55, 10 o'clock. There's no registration needed. You can just show up. And obviously, if you knew you were going to go, you could let me know. That would helpful because we're going to be setting up in advance for that. So listen, hope to see some of you there. Have a great summer, and we'll talk a little later. Bye now.